Sitting in the porch swing, listening to the light rain beating on the tin roof, baby, just me and you, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. Slide on over, baby, hold me closer, moving to and fro, just swaying like a slow freight train, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. So let the breeze, rocking with the rhythm of the rain, that's all you love to sing in the crickets are calling. Oh, my heart will never be the same. Keep the sweet spirit in the ear, and the food feels so fine. Nights like this come once in a lifetime. Hey, my baby, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. Listening to the light rain beating on the tin roof, baby, just me and you, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. Slide on over, baby, hold me closer, moving to and fro, just swaying like a slow freight train, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. Let the breeze, rocking with the rhythm of the rain, that's all you love to sing in the crickets are calling. Oh, my heart will never be the same. Keep the sweet spirit in the ear, and the food feels so fine. Nights like this come once in a lifetime. Hey, my baby, rocking with the rhythm of the rain. Hey, my baby, rocking with the rhythm of the rain.
This dance is called Rockin' with the Rhythm of the Rain, choreographed by Sorensen. It's a 64 count to will improve a level line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Right toe strut, left toe strut, side chasse, rock back, recover. Section 2, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, forward hold, pivot quarter turn to right, hold. Section 3, cross, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, hold. Section 4, point, out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Section 5, side chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, quarter turn to right, rock back, recover. Section 6, right toe strut, left toe strut, rocking chair, forward, recover, back, recover. Section 7, right diagonal, kick, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, left diagonal, kick, kick. Last section, back toe strut, coaster, step, hold. And you start over again. Now let me go the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个8拍右脚开始，旁脚尖，胯脚尖，旁恰恰，后回， 第二个八拍，摇以后回，前停右转停。第三个八拍，跨旁跨点后旁跨停。第四个八拍点，外内外停后旁跨停。第五个八拍，旁恰恰后回旁并右转后回。第六个八拍，右脚尖左脚尖摇以后回。第七个八拍，右斜前方踢踢后旁跨停左斜前方踢踢。最后一个八拍，后脚尖后脚尖后并前停。那我再重新开始。